everybody, and welcome back to Tech Tutorials. And in this video we are going to be learning how to export a PSD file using Canva. So right now, as you can see, I have opened a project inside Canva and I was working on this letter or something. So let's say you were working on some project as well, and now you want to carry on your further work on Photoshop. So what you can do is simply head over to this share option from the top right side for your screen. As you can see, we have the share option. When you click on that, you have this option of download, and when you click on that, you'll be able to see that we do not have any option to save it as a PSD. So the issue arises from here. So let's say I want to save it as a PSD, but the option is not in here. Do not worry, what you can do is simply save it as a PDF. So simply click on that and click on download option, and once you do, your downloading will be started. So now what you need to do is simply head over to a new tab, and in here you're going to be heading over to a website called P. So you can see we have the website in here. Let me show you as well. P. You need to simply head over to that, and the very first link is our website. Simply click on that, and now you can see the software just has opened up, and this is an amazing software if you want to convert from Canva to PSD. What you can do is simply import your file that you have downloaded. So as you can see, I have that letter on which I was working. I can simply drag and drop it inside here, and here, as you can see, we have all of these options, and you can see the layers as well. So we have all of these individual layers in here, and we can save it as a PSD easily. So what we can do is simply head over to this file option, and from there we can see we have this option to save it as a PSD, and now it will be asking for your destination where you want to save it. So save it on your desktop and click on save. And now if you head over to desktop, you'll be able to see that we have our PSD file generated. So that's a pretty amazing way to do so. I really hope you found this video helpful. Please leave a like if you did so. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.